Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. We are from Section 17 from course UHLB1112. We would like to present our introduction video about our faculty, which is Faculty of Science. Our lecturer is Dr. Aida Binti Rahman. Our group members are Raihah, LYNLIE, SITI, RAIHANAH and HARITH AKMA. In this video, my friends and I will talk about University Technology Malaysia and also about our faculty, which is Faculty of Science. University Technology Malaysia is a premier Malaysia public research-intensive university ranked 187 in the world by the QS University Ranking. It is also ranked 39 in Asia country. University Technology Malaysia was established in 1972. It specializes in engineering, science and technology. UTM motto is the name of God for mankind. Now let us talk about facts and figures in UTM. There are 9,230 postgraduate students, 15,678 undergraduate students, 4,761 international students, and 1,638 academic staffs. UTM Vision and Mission. UTM Vision, a premier university providing world-class education and research, while the mission, to develop holistic talents and prosper lives through knowledge and innovative technologies. UTM Faculties. There are a total of 7 faculties in University Technology Malaysia. The faculties are Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Built Environment and Surveying, Faculty of Science, Faculty of Social Science and Humanities, Razak Faculty of Technology and Informatics, Azman Hashim International Business School, and Malaysia-Japan International Institute of Technology (MJJIT), which the faculty only in UTM KL campus. UTM Campus. It has 3 campuses, which located in Skudai, Kuala Lumpur and Pagoh, Johor. The first one is Johor Bahru Campus. Johor Bahru Campus is the main campus of University Technology Malaysia, which located in Skudai. UTM is the first university in the state of Johor. It has an area of 1,222 hectares. UTM located almost centrally between the city of Johor Bahru and Sultan Ismail Airport. It takes between 3 to 4 hours to drive down from Kuala Lumpur to Johor Bahru. From UTM, it also takes around 30 minutes to 1 hour to travel to Singapore. Here are some pictures of UTM Skudai that I took from internet. The first one is the gateway, the main gate, and the second one is Sultan Ismail Mosque, which is located at the center of campus. Next is Kuala Lumpur Campus. Kuala Lumpur Campus of UTM is located at the center of Kuala Lumpur. UTM KL used to be the head campus, but now it became one of UTM branch in Kuala Lumpur. It has an area of 38 hectares. UTM KL accommodates diploma students, part-time students, which are under space program, undergraduate students MJJIT, and foreign students under business courses. Here are some pictures at UTM KL. The first one at the main gate, and the second one is the residence of UTM KL. Lastly, Pagoh Campus. It is also located in Johor, but in Pagoh. It has a 50-hectare area integrated with Bandar University Pagoh. Pagoh Campus is an innovation center in agri-technology for advanced bioprocessing UITM ICA. Let us look at UTM Pagoh. This is the picture of the campus. It is small because it is only as a research center.
Hi guys, so I will be continuing this presentation, which are UTM's achievements and facilities. So for the UTM achievements, UTM has been awarded in Majlis Anugerah Gemilang Mahasiswa, which is Gemang, in 3 roles. The first one is Anugerah Penghargaan Khas. The second one is Anugerah Pemimpin Program Sains, Teknologi and Inovasi. And the third one is Anugerah Pemimpin Sukarelawan. So for the THE, which stands for 2021 Times Higher Education Emerging Economies University Rankings, UTM had been awarded ranked at 108. For the 2021 Weibo Matrix ranking of world universities, UTM had been ranked for the second in Malaysia and 470 in world universities. And for the 2020 and 2021 US News and World Report Best Global University ranking, UTM has been listed in top 50 in the world, which are 21st in mechanical engineering, 37th in chemical engineering, 40 in civil engineering, and 45th in engineering, and number 1 in Malaysia, which is for chemical engineering, environment, and ecology and mechanical engineering. UTM facilities. Okay, for the UTM facilities, UTM provided Sultan Ismail Mosque, which can accommodate 10,000 worshippers. So there are many facilities at the mosque, which are the mini library, seminar rooms, lecture halls, and offices. So these mosques are located at the center of the campus, and it is surrounded by other buildings such as lecture halls, laboratories, and library. Accommodation that provided by the UTMs. There are 10 residential colleges. They are all accommodate to 14,000 students. 301 housing units for students who bring along their spouse and children. They can choose single or double room. Facilities that provided at the accommodation, such as cafeterias, multi-purpose hall, tennis court, internet, and convenience store. All students are eligible to apply the accommodation. What is listed in here are the accommodation at the top 10 residential colleges at UTM. We can see there is Tun Fatimah College, Rahman Putra College, Tun Hussein On College, Tun Razak College, Tun Dr. Ismail, and others. So for the food places, there are 5 main food places at UTM. As we can see, there are Arcade Meranti, Arcade Cengal, Arcade KDSE, stands for College Datin Seri Endun, Pak Allah Cafe, and SKM Cafe. So this is the oldest library at UTM. It was officiated by Her Majesty Sultanah Zanaria, the Chancellor of University Technology Malaysia, on 3rd February 1991. It is located at the center of the campus and next to the mosque. And this is the latest library at UTM. So this is the world-class library, just for research-centric library, and established in September 2014. And this library is located near the research laboratory. So the far away from the campus, there is a field they called as Azman Hashim Stadium. The field are just for the sport activities, and it can accommodate up to 5,000 people. And nearby the stadium, there is a swimming pool, Here you can learn swimming lesson, aqua aerobics. You also can have a party and public swims. There is a bus services provided from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. in order for you guys to go to the swimming pool. And this is Deer Park, which is one of the attractive place at UTM. And these are some laboratories at UTM that you could find near the Faculty of Science. So for the last one is the transportation. So UTMs provide bus for students to commute from on-campus residential college and off-campus accommodation to classes. There are 30 buses provided from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. every day for on-campus and off-campus. The off-campus residential areas include Taman University, Taman Sri Skudai, Taman Sri Pulai, Taman Teratai and more. And the last one, the service charge has been included in college fees. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.
Now let us move on to Faculty of Science. Fact and figures. There are 595 postgraduate students, 1,787 undergraduate students, 296 staffs. There are 4 departments in Faculty of Science, which are Department of Bioscience, Department of Chemistry, Department of Mathematical Science, and Department of Physics.
In Department of Bioscience, there are 60 academic staffs, 456 undergraduate students, 195 postgraduate students, and 2 groups of research groups. Programs offered for undergraduates are Bachelor of Science in Biology and Bachelor of Science in Industrial Biology. Meanwhile, for postgraduates, there are Master of Philosophy in Bioscience, Master of Science in Biotechnology, and Doctor of Philosophy in Bioscience. For research group, currently, they are doing research in U10 Fund Impact Scheme that aims to enhance livelihood and business opportunities by adding value to oil palm waste in Malaysia. Lab facilities in Department of Bioscience consist of 43 laboratories with 3 types such as teaching laboratories, research laboratories, and service laboratories. The laboratories supports practical classes for first year until final year undergraduates and postgraduates, final year project for undergraduate students, and mini project for mixed mode, such as master students. Department of Bioscience also has general store, facilities for chemicals and consumable storage. Internship. The internship scheme at the Faculty of Science is available with all our Bachelor of Science degree programs. It involves spending your 3rd year in full-time employment for at least 3 months. They're giving you the opportunity to work experience before you graduate. There are 2 types of internship schemes for Faculty of Science undergraduate students, which are industrial placement and research placement. Department of Bioscience also has a bulletin called BioBuzz, where students can find the latest breaking news and events at the Department of Bioscience. BioBuzz aims to provide readers news spanning from staff and student activities, community engagement, global or local and industrial visits to alumni engagement. In Department of Chemistry, there are 37 academic staff and 445 undergraduate students and 125 postgraduate students. Programs offered for undergraduates are Bachelor of Science in Chemistry and Bachelor of Science in the Industrial Chemistry. Meanwhile, for postgraduates, there are Master of Science in Chemistry, Master of Science in Forensic Science, Master of Philosophy in Chemistry, and Doctor of Philosophy in Chemistry. Their research group covered in 4 areas, which are analytical chemistry and instrumentation, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and physical chemistry. Lab facilities in Department of Chemistry consist of 38 laboratories. Department of Chemistry laboratories consist of teaching laboratories and research laboratories, which cover 5 main areas, which are analytical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, and computational chemistry. Department of Chemistry also has facilities for chemical storage and glass blowing workshop.
Next is Department of Mathematical Science. We have 57 academic staff, 456 undergraduate students, 195 postgraduate students, and 8 research group and center. In undergraduate program, we have offered Bachelor of Science in Mathematics SSCE and Bachelor of Science in Industrial Mathematics SSCM. For postgraduate program, we have offered Master of Science in Mathematics and Master of Science in Engineering Mathematics in master programs. And for research programs, we have offered Master of Philosophy in Mathematics and Doctor of Philosophy in Mathematics. We also have Research Center, which is UTM CIAM. It is a UTM Center for Industrial and Applied Mathematics. UTM CIAM is a research center that specializes in application of mathematical techniques in solving industrial problems. It was established on 12th of December 2012 in the presence of the Malaysian Minister for Higher Education at St. Anne College, University of Oxford. UTM-CIAM also consists of a lot of facilities, which is Mathematical Innovation Lab, Postgraduate Room, Meeting Room and Discussion Room. Department of Mathematical Science had divided into 5 broad of research areas, which is Algebra and Analysis, Applied Mathematics, Numerical and Computational, Operation Research and Statistics. Department also have Mathematics Computer Laboratory, which is have 3 laboratories. Department also have Mathematics Computer Laboratory, which is have 3 laboratories. For Department of Physics, we have 38 academic staff, 320 undergraduate students, 117 postgraduate students, and 7 research center and groups. Undergraduate programs, we have offered Bachelor of Science in Physics and Bachelor of Science in Industrial Physics. For postgraduate programs, we have offered Master of Science in Physics, Master of Philosophy in Physics, and Doctor of Philosophy in Physics. Physics laboratories consist of teaching laboratories and research laboratories, which cover 4 main areas: materials physics, health physics, optical physics, and instrumentation. Other than that, it also has the facilities for chemical storage, consumable material storage, and general workshop for mechanical work and machining. This department, we have 4 research groups, which is Applied Optic Research Group, Advanced Optical Materials Research Group, Scientific Computing and Instrumentations, and Nuclear and Radiation Physics. Research Center, we have Laser Center, driven by excellence in research with research expertise in particular area of lasers, photonic, plasma physics and fusions, and nanomaterials and structure. Laser Center is the first center in Malaysia to provide facilities and expertise
to postgraduate research in the field of laser technology. Continue this today through our constantly evolving latest research activities and facilities and delivered by world-leading experts.